Aloha! I'm Hope Johnson, founder of Miracle Botanicals.
And I'm Hannah. I work here at Miracle Botanicals in the shipping department.
A fabulous shipping fairy.
Yay!
I almost
Fairy.
said fipping sherry.
That's cool too.
Yeah, that works. She'll take it.
Today we have the famous
Cardamom, one of the best smelling essential oils in aromatherapy according to most people.
Oh.
Yes.
That's a fun fact.
Yeah, that's the first fact. Oh, let me take a shot at the botanical name.
Yes,
it's a beautiful
please do.
botanical name. I'm probably going to mess it up, but you know what? It's fun. Elateria cardamomum. Or cardamomum. I like that one better because it says mom in there.
Right.
Elateria cardamomum.
Elateria cardamom. That's a fun word to say.
Been used for over 4,000 years.
Wow.
Traditionally for oral care, digestive issues, and as an aphrodisiac.
Ooh,
Yeah.
I can totally
you
feel
can
that.
see why.
Yes.
Yeah, that beautiful aroma,
Sweet
enticing.
and savory.
Ancient Egyptians would use cardamom to freshen and clean the mouth, teeth, and gums.
Ooh.
So another one for oil pulling. A lot of these
Yes.
spices are great for oil pulling. If you don't know what oil pulling is, look it up.
Yes.
Just add a couple
Google
of
it.
drops to the oil that you're using to put in your mouth. It's about a tablespoon or something.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yay.
That's fun. Yay for oil pulling.
We love
And a
clean
clean
white
mouth.
teeth.
Yes. The Vikings also use it to cook and make wine.
Oh, that would
which
be an interesting
that's-
wine
yeah,
aroma.
very interesting wine
Yes.
aroma. I would love to try that.
I definitely enjoy it in cooking too. One of my
Yeah.
favorite ingredients in the pumpkin pie. And I have used it for making pumpkin pie when I didn't have the cardamom spice. I have cardamom essential oil. And that's one wonderful thing about having this spice set is if you're out of any spice, you just reach for your spice set and use it.
How many drops would you prefer to use?
Usually I do about 1 drop per tablespoon of fresh herb.
Okay.
Yeah, and then I do one drop per teaspoon of dried herb.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's a good preference.
That's
you
fun.
know, just don't like where to start with it if anyone happens to do some experimenting in their kitchen.
Yay, experimenting with cardamom essential oil.
Yes.
It's a sweet spice, and it's also great for digestion. It can be diluted and massaged on the body, and you will be smelling great if you do that.
It's like a sweet, spicy person. This is used in aromatherapy as a tonic and to stimulate the body's overall health.
Yes.
Which makes sense. Detoxifies.
Yeah.
Purifies. Also energizing of the hormones. So it really stimulates those glands.
Yes. Helps balance the secretion of hormones.
Yes.
Gastric juices stimulating.
Yes.
Yeah.
Digestive system. It's very
Yeah,
important.
the circulation of the body and excretion. You know, there's a lot of ways we excrete through our skin, through our breath. That helps. The cardamom helps with it, so it clears those passageways. If we're not detoxifying all the time, we build up toxins.
Right.
Isn't that
Which is
fun?
another where it goes back to cleaning the blood.
Yes,
Yeah.
exactly.
Yeah. It's also good for skin and hair, of course.
Yeah.
It can help with any kind of bacterial imbalance, any kind of dandruff or eczema, psoriasis. Yeah, so this is not in our hair tonic, I don't think. No, it's not. You can cut that out. But I was going to mention it. Damn it.
It's also great for premature aging. So it's
Okay,
good in
so
any kind of skincare remedy.
Helps with wrinkles and lines
Yeah.
and stuff.
Make sure you dilute it. Don't just stick it straight on there, okay?
Yes.
That stuff's really strong.
Definitely one that you want to dilute.
Anytime you use an essential oil on the skin, dilute it down to like 2%. I'm not kidding. You don't have to smell a strong aroma. You will still smell it at 2%. But, you know, be gentle. Essential oils are meant to be used sparingly, not excessively. Yay.
That's a good tip.
Thank you. It's also great for dandruff, and it can lighten the hair. This is fun too.
Cool.
Like if you
Like
wanted
highlights?
like if you wanted to lighten your hair, you can use it with water and honey.
Wow.
Yeah.
I never knew that.
Yeah, I
That's-
haven't tried it, but it sounds fun. Maybe this next summer I'll go for something
That
like
does
that.
sound fun, and it's also very natural. You know,
Yeah.
you're not buying all the
And of course
weird
it
hair
smells
dyes.
good. We love that.
Yes, we love all the smells. Oh, it also is used to rid of nervous exhaustion,
Yes.
depression, and stress, while boosting the clarity and just your overall mental focus and health.
Mm-hmm. Enthusiasm, courage. It's great. I mean, enthusiasm and courage, you could use that in a lot of circumstances. So it might be a
every
one
day.
for you if that's if that's a thing for you to carry this around and smell it throughout the day.
Yes.
And you know, that's something that aromatherapists are saying this is what it's good for. Like if you're coming in and saying I got no courage, or you know, I don't have any enthusiasm for life, I don't have any motivation, I don't have clarity, an aromatherapist is going to tell you cardamom. This is more of a modern way of using the cardamom than the ancient ways. We got both of those things going. We like to, yeah.
That is so fun.
We like to meld them together and let you know about all of the different ways you can use these essential oils.
Right. That's very important.
It's also an aphrodisiac, helps with loss of libido, impotence, frigidity. That's where you don't want a bone, I guess.
Which comes back to it being emotional stimulant.
Yes,
You know, so
that's right.
if you're feeling closed off, or it really helps you just kind of be with your feelings.
Also sexual weakness. So that's
Okay.
where you don't feel like you have the energy.
Lack of libido.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You don't feel like you have the energy for it. So whether you don't feel like you have the energy for it, or you feel like you just don't really want it, this is what the cardamom is for. Of course, if you really don't want it and you don't need it, the cardamom isn't going to make you want it either.
Yeah.
So that's
It's a
good.
balance. Which is why it's an aphrodisiac.
Yeah.
Okay, and it's also, of course, so well for digestion.
Yes.
It aids in digestion and just stimulating the whole digestive system and soothing an upset stomach. What could go wrong with that?
Yes, it helps speed up the digestion if you're experiencing slow digestion.
Okay.
It also is used for clearing digestive infections.
Bacteria.
Yay, everyone. Check out our cardamom. We love you.
Yes.
Aloha.